Today you're going to be learning something useful if you ever break your iPhone. The benefits of local backups. My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and I need to show you something funny. This is an iPhone XR that was working flawlessly not even 2 days ago. That damage you see is from the safe drawer at a bank, the one that you pull on to deposit. Do not put your phone underneath and you will actually escape this kind of damage. The screen and the digitizer are both broken, and it doesn't matter if it's an iPhone, an Android, or anything else, or even if it was in that case, it would break. So obviously I have learned my lesson, don't put my phone there. My day job does require certain applications to be used on my phone, and while most jobs will not let you use your phone, outside of my workplace, I have apps that I use that are very specific to my post. Which also means that I need a working phone. So I had to move all the details from one iPhone to the next. And you're about to learn the benefits of a local backup. While iPhones and iPads themselves do actually get to back up to the cloud, those store information in the phone, but they don't store account credentials. Local backups in your iTunes are the same unless you encrypt it. The benefit of having an encrypted local backup for your iPhone or iPad is that all of your account credentials are stored at the same time, and therefore the amount of time that it takes you to restore to a new phone or iPad and get all of your information and start using your device immediately is a lot less than it would have been if you had to enter everything from scratch. I am not even joking. Because of this, it actually makes it a lot easier on us. And the process of doing this is fairly simple. If you open up iTunes and you connect your iPhone, you click the iPhone icon or the iPad icon in the top left. On the summary page, you have the option to make a manual local backup. Just check the box off to make sure it's encrypted and put a password that you will remember. So next time that happens, you will not be screwed. While you may do daily or weekly backups into the cloud, I do suggest that periodically you store some to your own computer. That way you don't lose any of your data in the process. So I hope you learned a trick that will save you some time if you ever break your iPhone or iPad. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think could benefit from this, and do not forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and yes, use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to ask your questions live, you can head over to my Twitch account at twitch.tv/zaccess1981, where I play video games every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Waiting to see you there. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.